Hey, to connect your Android 15 smartphone to your car, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Next, you will have to move for connected devices, then scroll all the way down and you will have to move for connection preferences. Now you are searching for Android Auto, and in my case it appears right here, so you have to just click on it. And now we have to click to connect a car. So we've got actually three different methods. The first one, you can just get started and plug your phone into the vehicle Android Auto USB port. If you don't have, for example, this kind of the port in your car, you can use these two different methods. So we can connect using wireless, which means that it will actually use the Bluetooth. And now we have to just press and hold the voice command button on our vehicle. So it's actually available in some 2021 or newer cars. And your smartphone will be visible in your car as, and this is actually the name of your device. In my case, I'm using Google Pixel 7 Pro. And you can also go right here to connect using the Bluetooth. So now you can actually pair the wireless Android Auto with the car. So we can click here and now click to pair new device. Also enter for the pairing mode on your car and select your your car system on the available devices list. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel.